Welcome to Mike&Jytte.
In the last video, the chicken crisis, we were talking about situations where women had to be very careful about what to criticize, not criticize, what to evaluate from what a man had made. So on the other side here, there are some things that the men should be aware of. And it's not really simple or logical, or so how to navigate in this, we're going to talk a bit about it.
It's extremely difficult, actually, and it's questions that I jokingly call suicide questions. So the questions that if the man answers improperly, he's in real trouble.
I have one of these answers. No, I have a question.
Yeah.
So this skirt I'm wearing today, does it make me look a bit fat?
You all know this one. And you all know, don't go there.
So what would you say to that?
How do you think it makes you look, my love?
But then again, please be honest with you. I really want to know if I look fat in this.
Don't fall for that one.
Okay, so the proper answer is always,
what do you think, my love? You look good in everything.
That's a good one.
Yeah, right.
So make it more. But otherwise, I would say, well, lie a bit here.
Yes,
lies.
but there's one issue too, because if you keep doing this, then you lose your credibility, and that's very dangerous too.
Yeah.
So sometimes you have to choose an appropriate moment to say, well, it looks very good on you, but I don't like it. And that way you establish your own taste without insulting your partner.
And then it's not me, then it's a skirt.
That's right.
That's a good one. I wasn't aware of that. Have you been practicing
that? I've used that, yes, right.
I learned something today.
But it has to be a negative evaluation, because that's the way you maintain your credibility. Otherwise, they just they stop disbelieving you, because, oh yes, it looks lovely. And they know you're lying. So you have to sort of evaluate gently and try to maintain, it's what I call survival answers.
So I have another example. If I have two dresses, so which one do you like best, the red or the blue ones?
Yes.
And you would be very smart and say, well, they're both really nice.
I would.
No, which one is red or the blue? Which one do you? And I'm keep pushing you, and then you said, okay, the red one. And then I would say, so what's the matter with the blue one? Don't you like it?
Exactly the example. That's right. I think you should say the answer might be. Now, none of these things are foolproof, right? So you may get in trouble anyway, but you could say, well, both of them look lovely on you, but which one do you feel most like wearing today? So that may save you. Then again, it might not, but I mean,
So this is an area to be aware of for women to, well, don't ask the questions, or, well, don't put your husband or partner in that situation. So have a look at yourself and see what you think. So oftentimes women need that kind of confirmation, or well, do I look okay? Yes, you look okay. Okay, but I mean, I know myself if I look fat or not.
Right. By the way, there's a good coaching video. You've all heard about this hyacinth, and
it's called Keeping Up Appearances.
Keeping Up Appearances, yes. The husband there is really quite good at getting around those kind of questions.
He's a very patient man.
He's very patient, but he has some pretty good answers. Like, there's this one episode where she says, what gear am I in? And when she's driving the car. And he says, what gear would you like to be in, dear? And that's a very sensible answer from him. Right?
And he has a lot of those yes dears.
Yes, he does.
Sometimes that's the good thing. So
I think that's something to think about. Yeah. Be careful of. Develop your own style. Give it a try. Try out different ways and see how it works. And this works also, by the way, in almost all contexts, also in business. You can relate that to different kinds of questions, some of the jobs, work, this kind of thing.
That's true.
So give it a look. Give it a try. Try to test your comfort zone again and see how it works for you.
And I do not look fat in this skirt.
No, she does not. Believe me, she does not. Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Yeah.